That tube just hit the water. Oh shit, this is good. This. Jay, that was just hit. That just hit the water. Marking a ton, Jay. Marking a ton. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Jay, get over here. Oh, man. Oh, man. I need a tape. I need a tape. Get this thing measuring it back in the water. It's not gonna fit on my bump cord. You got a picture of that?
Yeah, I got it.
Fuck. Look at the color on that thing.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That thing was screaming drag, dude. It's heavy.
34. Big fish.
Thing splashed me on the side. I literally thought it was a giant 40, but the thing still is massive. It's a big old, call it 34, yeah. No, wait, hang on. 30. 36. Oh, it's a fatty.